Practice. Parallels and perpendiculars. First, draw any line. Select the Line tool. Click on 2 points on the plane. GeoGebra will automatically create the line. Mark a point through which the parallel line will pass. Select the Point tool. Click where you want the parallel line to go. Select the correct tool. In the toolbar, choose Parallel Line. 2 simple clicks. First click on the original line. Second click on the point that must lie on the parallel line. And that's it. GeoGebra will automatically draw a perfect parallel line. Perpendicular line. First, draw any line. Select the Line tool. Click on 2 points to create the baseline. Mark a point through which the perpendicular line will pass. Select the Point tool. Place a point anywhere on the plane where you want the perpendicular to cross. In the toolbar, choose Perpendicular Line. 2 very simple clicks. First click on the baseline. Second click on the point where the perpendicular must pass. GeoGebra will automatically draw a line that forms a perfect 90-degree right angle with the original line. Now it's your turn to draw parallel perpendiculars.